Hello, excuse me.
No, no, no.
Hi. Yeah, do you have a minute?
Yes.
I'm a street portrait photographer, and I saw you coming from there. You look a little unique, so I just wanted to talk and have a few pictures, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. I love that.
So, what is this unique attire?
What do you?
So, you are a guy, right? So, but I think you're wearing lipstick. So, how is it?
This is a joke.
It was a joke.
Yeah.
I thought this is how you go usually.
No, I don't carry lipstick on. As often as you think.
Okay. So, this is a one-time thing, a prank, or what is it?
Happens a few times. It's a running joke.
Okay. With give me the context if that's okay.
Yeah. So basically, when friends and I we go drinking, usually there'll be a few women there who have lipstick on them.
Okay.
And I tend to gravitate towards makeup when I'm drunk, so this is something.
So you like to wear makeup?
I love makeup. I have no apprehension against it.
Okay. So is it alright if I click a few pictures in this attire?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's come do it. Sorry, your name is?
Bhargav.
Bhargav? Any specifications on pronouns or is it a he?
Oh, he, him. He, him.
So what do? You study?
I'm in college, yeah.
Okay. So you wear sometimes makeup to college as well?
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Okay. So you get any like I recognized you from there, right? So is there any sort of comments that you get in college, anything like that?
Well, not really.
Not really.
No, not too many. People know that I don't take to comments very nicely,
Okay.
especially negative comments, so they just stay away.
Okay. So you have any sort of hobbies?
Hobbies. I have quite a lot of hobbies. I cook. I play badminton.
Okay.
I run quite a
Okay.
lot. Yeah, that's about
Also
it.
earrings, they look different than what usually
Yeah.
guys wear, right?
They're my mother's actually.
Oh, okay.
I took them.
Okay.
So I did get pierced ears, but
Okay.
the earrings that a lot of guys wear are very,
Okay.
very subtle.
I see you have a lipstick mark here as well.
Yeah, I tried wiping it off.
Okay, okay.
It was very much. It was a lot more red.
Oh, okay.
Like a half an hour ago.
Okay. So you don't get any sort of restrictions from home because it's not that usual for guys to wear makeup.
It's not, and but they have their apprehensions. Like I live with my grandparents, so
Okay.
you must imagine how that is, and they do have their comments.
Okay.
But again, they know that I don't take very kindly to it,
Okay.
and they know I'm going to do it anyway.
Okay.
So and lipstick is the worst, like the least of their concerns.
Okay. You said Bharat, right?
Bhargav.
Bhargav. And what college do you study?
NLS,
NLSS?
National Law School of India.
Okay. And which year you are in?
I'm a first year.
First year. Okay. Let's start.
Yeah, sure. How do you want me to pose?
Currently, you can just stand. I'll let you know. You wanna lean?
Yeah, sure.
Probably. So look there. Just like you can just act as if you're walking, but don't just walk. Okay? Just act like you're walking.
Oh, okay.
Okay, give me the pose like you're walking. Yeah, you can stand there. Smile. Smile. Hold on. Stay put, stay put. You wanna give a full body pose, any pose that you like.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, now, ready. Smile. You wanna take off the band and try? Smile. Cool, man. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, sure.
And you can check my video.
Yeah.